Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the official Google Voice app and signing in with your Google account. This is required so Google can assign or link a number to you. Once done, grant microphone and contacts permissions so calls and texts work. Make sure your iPhone is updated and that you have an active phone number ready for verification. The app will text or call that number to prove ownership. Immediately after installation, tap Sign In and follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Next, you choose whether to pick a new Google Voice number or port your existing number. Picking is instant, porting takes time and a fee. Once you choose, Google sends a 6-digit verification code to the phone you provided. Enter it to confirm. After verification, set call forwarding to your iPhone so calls ring in the app and enable voicemail in Google Voice so messages route correctly. Make sure to configure text and voicemail preferences now so behavior matches what you expect. Finish by testing. Place an outbound call and send a text from the Google Voice app, then have someone call your new number to confirm inbound routing. Make sure notifications are allowed so you don't miss calls or messages. If you want your existing number permanently, follow the porting steps inside Settings. Note there's usually a small fee and 24-72-hour delay. If something goes wrong, check carrier blocks, ensure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active, restart the phone, and retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.